Good morning, sir. Hello.
Give me screen share, Akshay.
Done, sir.
Let's check if my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Start index.
Next 6 minutes, sir.
So you will do the polls, right?
Oh, yeah, I will do poll.
Because I'm unable to do polls.
Okay, I will do poll, sir. Yes, that's perfect.
So sharp at 4 o'clock we start, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine, I'm ready. I'm going on mute.
Okay, sir.
Is the video visible?
Yes, sir. Your video is visible.
Okay, I'll go on mute then.
Okay, sir.
The recording should start since the time I start my this thing. So right now we can.
Okay, I will stop.
Yeah.
Sir, good to go.
Hi, good evening, everybody. A warm welcome to all of you. Myself, Mr. Amit Gurau, I am the host and the speaker for the evening. We welcome you all to Tata Tele Business Services Group Digital Forum. And today's theme is using modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. Rubik Digital Forum is a customer engagement and education initiative across cities where industry leaders from across business verticals come in to discuss how digital technologies are being used to deliver great products and services, connect faster with customers, and optimize costs. These forums are an engagement platform wherein our customers on a continual basis, TT base tries to understand their challenges and provide them with relevant digital solutions. Revealing the current global situation of operating with limited capacity, our smart solutions will enable you to efficiently work from home and to meet the ends of our customers and the organization needs. With this, I will quickly set the context for the forum. Ruby Digital Forum is live and brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. All the attendees will be on a listen-only mode. We have a dedicated Q&A session post our presentation. So please share your questions, your queries to the chat window, and we will certainly address them. We have also organized the polls wherein there will be 5 questions which will be which will be displayed on the screen with multiple choice options. You have to select the relevant options and submit the poll opinions. With this, we start with the polls. The polls are on the right hand side of the screen. You have to click the poll icon and then start attempting for the poll. We start with the first question, please. I'll go on mute.
Thank you so much, sir. The first question is, what are the top 3 trends that currently impacting your industry? I repeat the question. What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? The options is first, digital transformation, second, COVID disruption, third, ability of finance, fourth, business continuity and operation relations, fifth, business growth and expansion. You have 30 seconds to answer this answer. The time starts now. Already 52% people have voted, many more to join. I request you all the attendees, please take a part in poll session. Your feedback is very important for us. I request you please take part. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Next poll, please. What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? I repeat the question. What are the top 3 area investment for your company? The options is hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, software, hardware, upgrading infrastructure, internet, cloud, connectivity, and other telecom solutions, operations, marketing, and sales. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll question. I request all attendees please take part in the poll session. Time starts now. Twenty seconds left. Many more to join. Ten seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the participants this poll. Next poll, please. Which of following Tata Tele service offering are you aware of? I repeat the question. Which of the following Tata Tele service offering are you aware of? First option, collaboration solution, Zoom, web conferencing, smart flow, etc. Second, IoT solution, fleet assets, vehicle tracking. Third, cloud and SaaS, cloud CRM, digital survey, live chat, etc. Security solutions. You have 30 seconds to answer this full question. Time starts now. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Next one, please. Which of our product and solution are of your interest? I repeat the question. Which of our product and solution are of your interest? First is cybersecurity. Second is IoT solution, fleet tracking, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, asset tracking. Third is voice connectivity for remote access. Fourth is dedicated internet bandwidth. Fifth is Zoom. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. I request you all attendees, please answer this poll. Twenty seconds left. 10 seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Over to you, Amit sir.
Okay, thanks a lot, everybody, for the participation in the poll. It really means a lot for us. With this, we start with our presentation, and today's theme is Boost Business using modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. We start our presentation with a small quote. There's a very wise phrase by Charles Darwin. In the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most effectively have to. And we have seen this, we have experienced this in the first phase of the pandemic, how we were struggling in the initial phases, and businesses which have adapted these challenges by having the foresight of the businesses, they have collaborated with the services, with the existing ecosystem, and they kept on improvising with the help of the digital technology, and they were able to sustain and prevent their businesses for the long term. You learn, you live, you evolve. So product needs to evolve in order to meet the needs of the market. And we have to ensure that each and every products are in sync so that any kind of integration which has to be taken place can be swiftly managed within the existing ecosystem. This is the brief agenda of our presentation. We will cover the technology landscape. We will cover the SME landscape. We will see what kind of challenges were faced by our SMEs during the first phase of the pandemic, and then we move on to the Q&A. The only thing that is constant is change, and we all are aware that change is inevitable, and along with that change there comes a disruption. So change is inevitable. Are we really prepared to handle these kind of changes within our business ecosystem? Are we really, we are geared up, we are pumped up to adapt and get into the groove of business immediately, as what we have seen in the first phase of the pandemic? Are we having the digital tools to ensure that the businesses can be conducted without visiting our offices as well? So are we really accepting that change? So this is what is happening with our SMEs. These are the key technology trends that are enabling the agility of our SME, which includes the business continuity plan. It also has cloud, which plays a very important and vital role. And security is extremely critical. So we have to ensure that we provide the secure environment for our customers and the employees. So when we talk about when we talk about the business continuity plan, we have to ensure that there are lower business interruption costs. We have to ensure that there are lower business interruption costs. We have to act according to our plan. There are short-term and the long-term plans of each and every organization. So the long-term plans are in sync with the vision mission of the management. The short-term plans are very much aligned to the long-term goals of the organization, and those are viewed periodically within the operational ecosystem. We have to resume our operations immediately, and that's what we have seen in the unlock 2.0 and subsequently with 3 and 4. We also have to ensure that all the regulatory compliances are fulfilled. These are very critical for the organization, from the organization's point of view, be it into any industry. We have to ensure that we fulfill these compliances for our businesses, for our processes. Security is critical, and that's what we have seen. A lot of cyber attacks which are being carried on, and to ensure that we sustain such harsh attacks, we have to ensure that our security is in sync with the current trend and requirement of the market. Last but not the least, we have to create an integrated risk management system. So these are the business challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and we have with a lot of efforts from our team, from our customers as well, because they were the respondents who have supported us in our task, so that we also are able to help all our customers, be our existing as well as the future prospects, for the efforts into digitization of their processes. Employee tracking was very much critical. Here we are not terming employee tracking in terms of tracking their whereabouts, which is purely to do with, are they really following the work from home protocols? Are they following the processes? Are they following the systems which are in place? Are they working in a secured environment? We were unable to connect our distance team members face to face because we were not visiting our office. We were working from home. So this was one of the important challenges which have been cropped up. Similarly, we were also unable to connect our business customers for future businesses or the existing businesses meetings. Accessibility to the servers or the application. So we were unable to access the office data, be it a server or the application. Physical travel to the office was not possible because we were completely immobile. We were not moving out of our homes. There were strict lockdowns, and similarly there were phase-wise lockdowns as well in cities and in the remotest of the areas where we were operating remotely. We were unable to access the office infrastructure due to the lack of security. Last but not the least, accessibility to the wash infrastructure. And typically, when we talk about the services industry, where the KPOs and BPOs plays a very vital role. So their agents were unable to access the PBX infra, and there were also a lot of voice regulations to be followed by these agents while they were working from home. So this is, in a nutshell, the business challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a disruption if you are ready for it. The disruption is coming. The difference between panic and poise is preparation. So how well we are prepared to handle this situation? Are we digitally forward? Are we capable? Have we built the capability within our ecosystem, be it a technology, be it a connectivity, to handle any kind of situation, be it a cyber attack, be it digital transformation of the organization? So by going digital, we give our organization the agility and ability to turn disruption into opportunity. So what are we waiting for? We have seen digital disruption. We have seen the digital economy which has been created by huge brands like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Airbnb. These are, to name a few of them, which is at the back of our mind. We also can talk about Uber in India. There is Paytm. They have, they were able to create such an ecosystem that today that kind of economy is prevailing because they were the stalwarts, they were the front runners, they were the torch bearers of digital economy. So this is a digital adoption by our Indian SMEs. So smart digital adoption is the key to unlocking the full business potential for SME and the SMEs. So 43% of our SMEs, they use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMEs in India, they believe that digital adoption is key to their success. And this number is having an upward trend. So this data which we are displaying, this is from last year, September 2021 reports. So 73% of the Indian SMBs, they are confident of bouncing back post-COVID period, and that's what we have seen. Our SME as an ecosystem, SME as a sector is a booming sector. Around 70% of the employees are employed with the SME. So just imagine what kind of impact SMEs are having on our GDP, what kind of impact they are having on creating or a nation building for that matter. And even one more thing I would like to personally point out over here is the key decision making ability with our SMEs is much more faster than the enterprises. So their processes, it keeps on evolving at a constant pace. Their needs are very much unique. When it comes to technology, they are the torch bearers to implement them within their ecosystem and conduct those kind of experiments. So this is the shifting focus of our SMEs. When we talk about the business confidence, so the business continuity as usual, they were very much there during the digital phase while working from home in the new avatar of hybrid models, business resiliency and efficiency. And then we also have the new normal digital first. This is the one area which has seen an upward curve since 2020 November, and we are heading in the right direction with our digital ecosystem. So when we dream about digital India, this is somewhere we were aiming since 2017. There was a vision for the country and the nation, and that's how it has been effectively utilized during the first phase of the pandemic. So a lot of organizations, be it a small, medium, or the larger enterprises as well, they had adopted the technological requirement. They have adopted the technology to ensure that digital first is the key mantra for their businesses. So these are the 5 simple guidelines on technology for SMEs at Tata Tele Business Services. We believe if our SMEs, they follow these guidelines, they are very much there in the curve to manage their entire business ecosystem. The first one and the foremost one is, over the period of time, technology becomes obsolete, and obsolescence is a huge cost. And technology is not like a real estate which will appreciate over the period of time. So we have to rent it rather than owning it for the organization. So when we talk about the small and medium enterprises, our SMEs as an ecosystem, we have to ensure that our expenses are also very much in control. So we have to select a fit for purpose versus a scaled down large solution. So SME needs are very unique and simple. SME business process keeps on evolving at a faster pace. This is what I was mentioning about in my previous slide. That they have a very, they have the agility, then the ability to take key business decisions at a faster pace. There is always an unused capacity, which is extremely costly, and when it comes to technology, over a period of time, it becomes obsolete. There are a lot of upgrades which keeps on taking place when it comes to technology, and we have to again match up with the pace of the current trends. So we have to use our capex to grow the core business solution rather than investing in technology. So we have to build as you grow and pay as you grow. So we recommend a pay-per-use model for technology. We also have to look out for an integrated solution with silos of products. In my second slide, where I have clearly mentioned that the products has to be in sync with the market requirements. requirement. Similarly, we have to ensure that the cost of integration is lesser than in general. The cost of integration is 10x of the product, so that is not viable for any businesses, and the onus will be on the SMEs to ensure that everything fits together. So we have to ensure that any new innovation, any new product requirement within the organization, these are very much easy to implement, and these are integrated immediately along with the existing products and services. Last but not least, IT talent is damn expensive, and we have experienced that from the last 2 years. Even the IT and IT services have become quite expensive, so we have to ensure that the support is linked to your spend and it is not a fixed cost. These are the 5 simple guidelines for technology to be adopted by our SMEs. This is what we feel at Tata Tele Business Services, and these 5 pointers we have done a lot of internal studies within our customers, within our prospects and the channel partner ecosystem. With this, we move on with our smart solutions. So do it with our smart solution, and what does it mean to you? So these are our core strengths at Tata Tele Business Services. We have 40,000 plus business customers in our ecosystem, and this number is ever increasing month on month. We are having the additions of our customers due to the entire digital ecosystem which we are managing for them independently. 1,400 plus channel partners in our ecosystem. So these are the partners who have been developed over a period of time to handle and manage the requirements of our SMEs and guide them in the right direction. We also have 1,500 plus channel team members. We have 60 plus cities present, so we have very good network coverage which covers the length and breadth of our country. We have 1,000 plus strong enterprise team members, and when we talk about these 1,000 strong enterprise team members, here we are mentioning about our own employees who are working day in, day out to ensure that all the necessary services, products, solutions are being delivered to our customers in a timely manner. So we have 125,000 plus optical fiber network which is covering the length and the breadth of our country. We also are, we are also able to provide these monthly visits at our customer premises, which is around 160,000 plus, and these are purely from our field engineers, from our maintenance team, from our delivery team. We also have 60,000 plus connected buildings in our ecosystem. So overall, if you see, these are, these seems to be only the 8 exclusive features that Tata Tele Business Services is able to manage and run the entire ecosystem for the customers who are into the SME sector. So this is our complete portfolio, which is divided into 6 verticals, and that's where we, we position as a one-stop shop solution provider for our SMEs. So these are the 6 verticals. The first one is the connectivity solutions, in which we have the traditional ILL. We also have the MPLS, VPN. We have the lease line. We have the L2 multicast, smart office. This is one of the innovation at Tata Tele Business Services. We move on to the next vertical, which is the security solutions, and this we will cover in brief in my subsequent slide. We have collaboration services, in which we have document management system, international bridging services, webcasting services, and webcasting services and the conferences facility. Then we also have the cloud and SaaS, in which we have managed hosting, prep, test, secure connect, smart hosted PBX, cloud CRM, hosted IVR, co-location, and smart flow. So when we talk about our smart flow, it is a complete cloud communication suite. So gone are those traditional calling days where you are hooked on to the landline sitting in the office. Now with our smart solution, you can stay connected with your customers 25/7 from any device and remote. So we will cover it in our subsequent slides. We have marketing solutions, and then we also have the IoT solutions. So overall, if you see, you need not worry about multitasking or coordination with the multiple vendors. Once you approach Untitled Business Services, we are the one-stop shop solution provider. With this, we move on to the first product line, which is the traditional MPLS or smart VPN. So now you can get the reliable security for your data while you stay connected from the safety of your home. We have the remote access through our MPLS. We have the reliable data security, quick and easy to install, seamless business continuity, and multiple OS support. With our smart VPN, which is a new age MPLS VPN for our SMEs, now you can connect your business network with high bandwidth and SLA based last mile on MPLS. This is a traditional MPLS network where we stay connected with the hub and the spoke location, and in the remotest of the locations where the services are not available, then we also tried and move on to the third party connectivity. Then we have the internet VPN, which is a low cost connectivity with a managed security services over. We also have the MPLS on LTE, which is a remote branch connectivity on LTE, same with low cost scalable options. So this is one of the innovations that Untitled Business Services. Now you can get the smart VPN or the MPLS connectivity to this. We also have the secure connect, again, this is a cloud product. So where you can now secure and private extension of your MPLS to your cloud service providers, or be it a third-party cloud from Microsoft Azure. Sorry. And we also have the IBM soft layer. Or you can stay connected through Amazon AWS, so any other third-party cloud service provider. Last but not the least, we have the remote access, or remotely access your business for work from home or ensuring continuity in the times of the lockdown. So with our smart VPN, which is a wireless last mile, you get telco agnostic, completely reliable product. We have the LTE SIM, GSM based last mile connectivity. Now you can get feasibility anywhere, everywhere. A complete cost benefit, plug and play, and it has an ease of deployment. So one interesting case study with Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited. So Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited have been into the businesses of cooperative banking into 1978, and they have their forte is into providing banking facilities in the remotest locations of Maharashtra. So their requirement was very much unique. They wanted us to provide a seamless connectivity to their entire team who were working from the remote branches. They also wanted a seamless availability of core banking solution for their customers. So with our secure MPLS network for bank to prioritize and set up highly efficient routes for customer traffic, we were able to provide them with a customized solution. So our team of experts, we have solution specialists who who are involved in the requirements since day one, and they keep on doing a lot of exchange of thoughts with the Bharat Cooperative team, IT team here, and they were able to provide them with the relevant necessary solution. We also provided them with the multiple PRI lines, facilitating the concurrent transmission of voice as well as data traffic over the dedicated line, and we were able to provide them with the high-speed internet lease line connectivity for business efficiency. So overall, there was a win-win situation for Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited as well as for Untitled Business Services, because it was able to provide Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited with the operational efficiency. There was greater customer satisfaction for Bharat Cooperative Bank. Now they were able to provide them the net banking access or the core banking access for the remote operation, and they were increased employee satisfaction as well. So overall, their customers are very much happy with such kind of banking facility to be provided by Untitled Business Services by Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited on the network of Untitled Business Services. Now we can reimagine work from home with our smart internet for business. Now you can enjoy uninterrupted secure internet connection at home through a secure VPN access. It has a remote access from home, and there is a commitment of SLA at 99.5%. So with our smart internet, now you can get a one-stop shop solution for all your needs. You get guaranteed a peace of mind in terms of financial and business benefits due to technical capabilities. Freedom from worries. We need not worry about the ownership or the deployment or the router management or the configuration. So these are the product features. Now you can get the secure VPN access, user authentication, plug and play, next generation GUI enhances, and managed security overlay. When it comes to the commercial or the financial, it comes with a zero capex, higher returns on investment, and reduce operational cost and better employee productivity. For the business, you can now continue with your business, work from home, work from field or on the go, scalable as per business needs and future ready. This is our smart internet, and these are the advantages. So now you can get the best of internet and security. So smart internet is bundled with the UTM, which is a unified threat management with no additional cost. Completely cost effective, the affordable monthly rental start from just rupees 249 per user. Totally scalable, so start from 15 users and it can go up to 5,000 users. So wide range of bandwidth, it is available for all bandwidths from 10 to 500 Mbps as a standard offering. So here now you can think about having a small office or the remote branch office where your employees want to stay connected and they want to have a remote access. So you can stay connected on your secure network or path with your for the application access while working from home or remote. So feature rich with zero capex, only capex investment, and it comes with security of UPI. So this is a plug and play solution for our SMEs. So because when we thought about a digital access for or digitization for the SMEs and our customers, we thought that when we talk about digitization, it has to be business on the go. And so that's the reason we and our team of experts have made a lot of thoughts about this, and they then innovated smart internet. So this is one interesting case study with Ranship Management. Ranship Management, they have a global presence with offices across the world. They had their customers across all the continents, and they wanted to give a complete 365 days of capabilities for their customers when it comes to service calls. So their problem statement was they wanted a reliable remote access solution by which they can connect to their international clients as well as office locations in India to serve their needs in a timely manner. So as a solution, we customized it completely. So we provided them with our smart internet, which is a complete solution comprising of remote access, managed services, and security features backed by UTM. They also evaluated our expertise in providing cutting-edge solutions in this space, and they deployed remote access for their employees. So now their employees who were operating from India, they were easily managing the calls with great efficiency. They were able to access all the necessary applications while working from home or remotely, and they were able to provide the necessary consignment details to their customers. So if you see the overall, there was a win-win situation for Ranship Management. For their customers, now there was greater customer satisfaction. For their employees also, because now they are able to access the important applications while working from home or remotely. So they were better employee satisfaction, and for Tata Business Services, because you were able to provide them with a cutting-edge solution in this space. With this, we move on to the security solution. This is the second product line, and we all know how security was critical during these tough times. There were a lot of cyber attacks which have been carried on. So why there is cyber security need within an organization, or even for the personal and even for the personal inputs while we are working on personal projects, or while working from home, or while working from office as well. So there is a need of cyber security while browsing net, protecting the company server, while checking emails. A lot of phishing emails which are moving in and around on the employees' official ID as well as on the employees' personal ID. And while working from home, we need cyber security. There was the rise in the cyber attacks since COVID-19 outbreak, and even the BSc had warned the market intermediaries that such attacks have been carried out quite frequently, so you have to be completely aware about the situation. So these are the assets and security of any organization. When it comes to the assets, we have the access point, which are the routers, we have the servers or the applications, and we also have the endpoint, which are the small screen, which are the handsets, and we also have the desktops and the laptops. So there is a complete security need for each and every device, be it the hardware or the software. So these are the components of a security offering in products. We have the data security, we have the endpoints, we have the identity and the access management, and then we also have the network security. In services, we have the consulting, implementation, testing, operations, and the incident response. When we talk about the use case risk mitigation, where the risks are extremely higher, situations are very much vulnerable. So there are the three incidences which are being identified so that we can have the narrative around it. So while working from home or remotely, how the cyber threats keeps on looming over the employee or the company's assets. So there is a first situation where a device, where the official device can get accidentally misused by someone other than the employee. So staff using multiple devices while to complete the work, so be it the laptops, the tablets, smartphones, while they are working from home or remotely. So devices may be left unlocked, and these can be accidentally misused by someone other than the employee. So the first risk mitigation, the first scenario where the risk mitigation is extremely high. There are certain user behavior which we have studied over the period of time. So while working from home or remotely, we tend to do a lot of web browsing, social media time, and personal emails. We also tend to, attach a removable device. This can be a pen drive, this can be an external drive, and these are being attached to the work laptops, and the personal devices being used to complete the work. So wherein there are threats of there are cyber threats of while doing such a thing in an unsecured environment. We also have to stay always connected, and in that case, the employees often use unsecured or shared Wi-Fi networks. So devices are left connected to business networks as the boundary between office hours and the recreational time is increasingly low. So these are the component of solution. When it comes to software application, we have the software application and multiple OS support. In analytics, we provide you with the complete security reports, user group reports, notifications, and alerts. In administrative portal, we have the policy management, exception management, single view of health status of all the devices, and in cloud hosting, we have the real-time discovery and the patch management. So these are the feature set. It supports all the types of devices, be it the Windows PC, desktop, laptop, servers, Mac laptops, Apple iOS smartphones, and Android smartphones. We move on to the case study. So another case study which is very much interesting in the current times, and one of our customers, so they provide an end-to-end business process outsourcing services, and their solutions with experts across various domains. So they focus on low-cost processing and high-quality output. They were managing a food delivery applications packet. So they were looking at a complete zero trust approach. They also wanted to provide a remote BPO workers. Now they are protected against the increased cyber attacks during these crisis. So as a solution, we provided them with the endpoint security. We also provided them with the firewall and the multi-factor authentication. So with this, their employees who are operating, their agents who are operating from home or remotely, they are working in a secure environment, and there are no data threats. This is another launch at Tele Business Services in November 2020. Again, adapting and getting into the groove of the system, where we felt the need of launching SmartFlow, which is a smart, multimodal, multifunctional, flexible, scalable, and secure and reliable suite of cloud-based communication services. So why do we recommend our SmartFlow? It is anywhere and anytime, anywhere communication. As I earlier mentioned, with gone are those days with the desktop phone, gone are the days with the handset. Now you can stay connected with your customers on the go. It allows your employees to think and move out of their cubicles. It allows business minds to go farther from their cubicles. It frees employees from their desks. We also have to reduce the operational and the capital costs. So there are no bulky infrastructure and storage, only cloud and phone. It works across all the devices from landlines to smartphones and no infrastructure and maintenance costs. Enterprise grade security and reliability, so RESTful API features, click to call and never masking. Business continuity with 99.5% uptime and customizable admin portal and access rights. Enhanced customer experience, which provides seamless and frictionless customer experiences. So artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart IVR menus. Plug and play API integrations with multiple applications. So it has an on-demand scalability, so ultra flexible, enables you to quickly adapt the situation as per the needs and the demands of the calls. Works efficiently in changing business conditions. To get business intelligence or reports and analytics to track agent project progress, call loads, live calls, and data insights. Voice to text, keyword mapping, and sentiment analysis. So these are the 4 pillars on which the entire SmartFlow operates. It has an inbound solution. It has a click to call solution. It has a missed call solution, and it has a OBD solution. We quickly move on to the case study. So our customer, they are into a mid-sized BPO. They have around 500 employees who are working across multiple processes like vendor onboarding, customer service, lead management, and document verification. So as a benefit, they were looking at scaling up the business outcome across multiple lead generation campaigns and customer service processes. So with our SmartFlow, they also wanted to ensure that the security of the customer data and their agents while working from home or remotely is completely taken care of. So as a solution, we provided them with the SmartFlow, which is a holistic solution for the complete call center operation management. So it has a hosted contact center, which offers a complete call center operations management features like blended queue management, a built-in CRM integration, agent panel, call barging, prioritizing, callback, sticky agent, sentiment analysis, and detailed analytics and reporting. The artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart IVR. Customer privacy is ensured by number masking. This is one of the partnerships which cannot be reimagined. So as a promise to our SMEs, we are a one-stop shop solution provider. So we take care of each and every need of the SME. So this is one partnership which is a completely game-changing for Tata Tele Business Services as well as for Zoom. So with Zoom, Tata Tele Services as a leading provider of digital solutions, we have a deep understanding of customer needs in SME and enterprise segments, and a partnership with Zoom will provide businesses with highly unified communication solutions, enable them to collaborate effectively and forge more meaningful relationships with our ecosystems. So with these solutions, businesses can put all of their communication concerns to rest and gain access to the best of both the worlds, including trusted service, user-friendly interface, and a robust security. With our Zoom suite, we have Zoom meeting. Now you can have a simplified video conferencing across all your devices. And we also have the Zoom webinars where you can engage your customers. So currently we are integrated with the Zoom for this webinar. Now you can engage your audience with the flawless technology. These are the advantages. So we are able to provide you one-stop shop solution for the SMEs. We have a robust security, trusted services, and user-friendly interface. So these are the key features of Zoom. It provides you with the complete security of your data and the content. It has an advanced data protection. So all your data is protected as communications are established via 256-bit and TLS encryption, and all shared content is secured by AES 256 encryption. Unlimited meetings. Now you can conduct a number of meetings one of those days with the limited and the capping on Zoom. Live transcription, complete privacy, cloud-based recording. You need not worry about the storage space on your device. You can store all your important meetings on the cloud, and you can access as and when required on demand. Superior meeting experience, business intelligence, remote device control, identity management, widespread authentication tool, and marathon meeting sessions. So this was from my end when it comes to our product and services. What are the key benefits from Tata Tele Business Services, and why we strongly recommend our ecosystem? Because we are innovative products. All our products are way ahead of their time in the curve. And that's what we have seen with and chip management case study. We were able to provide them with a cutting edge solution in that space. We have our products and solutions which are compatible with IPv6. Best reach variety of solution available to connect remote locations, and that's what we have seen in our smart VPN with the LTE, which was where we are able to provide you on SIM card. Bundled services to provide solution as a complete offering. For example, we can bundle our ILL with CPE license and security, ease of handling of our customers. Best SLA, so overall level for all our data products has been at 98.5%, and DT potential same is maintained for connected products as well. Transparency and self-care portal, so access to our self-care portal, it helps in getting the complete visibility of network in terms of utilization, performance of links. With this, we come to the end of our presentation. I will just give you a glimpse of our social media network, how strong we are on our social media, how strong we are digitally, and we have a very good presence. So this is our website, www.taratelebusiness.com. So please do visit our website. You can stay connected with us through our toll-free number, which is 1800-266-1800. You can reach us out through our email, which is doobig@taratel.co.in, and you can also WhatsApp us on 922339825. With this, we come to the end of the presentation, and we are open for Q&A. Any questions, please?
So still we don't have a question. So we will take the feedback session.
Yeah, please carry on with the feedback and we conclude the session. Thank you.
Yeah, so I request to all attendees, please go to right hand side and click the poll button. You can see over the feedback question. The first question is, would you be interested to in SmartFlow live demo for your organization? Your options is yes. Second is no. So I request to all the attendees, please take part in the feedback one. If you are interested to take our SmartFlow products live demo, you have to answer yes. So our representative contact you and give you the live demo of our products. You have 10 seconds to answer. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. The first feedback question: overall experience of this virtual event. Options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have 10 seconds to answer the feedback question. The time starts now. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Second feedback question: speaker insight of this virtual event. The options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. The time starts now. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Product insights of this virtual event. Third feedback question: product insight of this virtual event. The options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. It starts now. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. And the last but not least, platform experience of this virtual event. You have to rate our platform. The options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have 10 seconds to answer this feedback. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Amit sir, as of now, there is no questions in our system.
We conclude the session. We would like to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this Dubic Digital Forum today. We also would like to thank each and every one of you for being a patient and the attentive delegates. And thanks a lot for your participation in the polls as well as in the feedback session, because along with the feedback, it helps us grow session by session and evolve session by session. And we hope that this digital forum was insightful for your future needs of digitization. So please do reach out to us through our social media handles, through our website, through our email, through our toll-free number and the WhatsApp number. With this, we would like to end the digital forum for all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. And please follow all the COVID